Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kala pynkhein hi ya ki kyndon da ka ba pynieng ya ka khyrdop lum khajna ha di Ri Bhoi District wat la lak dau shai ha ka clause 6 jong ka work order ka council hi bala khang persya ban pynieng ya ki bakum ki khyrdop ha ka surok ba national highway. Ya kaniela penpau da Deputy Commissioner ka Ri Bhoi u Abhilash Baranwal Shakilat pathai kubor ha kasni balang kata shisngi hadin baki arngut ki executive member EM ka KHADC balayalam da ka Voice of the People Party VPP kila keno ya ki bor district ka Ri Bhoi halor ka jingle ka baklem da burom ya ka council da ka balek khang dam ya ka khyrdop lum khajna jong ka council ha di Ri Bhoi district. Haba jubab ya ki jingkno udisi ula ongru baki bor district kila lej ban khangdam no ya ka teka khyrdop lum khajna da ka ba pensyong nong rim kat kum ki kyndon an bat om namar ka jingle bom salya nele iben ya ka council. Haba jubab halor ka jingkno jong ki arngot ki EM kata uba Powell Soklet bat uba Winston Tony Lingdo ki bala shim ya ka ne ka jingkhangdam kum ka jingle bom khen snap bat iben ubaranwal ula ong bakani ka sinjam ka bakila shim ka dei ka bala pensyong nong rem lingba ki jing betha ki basai na ka sarkar bat ka jinga selok bat ka KHADC hi. Ngi don ya ka burom ka bahlor ya ka KHADC ka dei ka 6 schedule council bat kamdar satya ka no ka jingkali halor ka jingbom burom ong udisi. Ulak dawru baka clause 6 jong ka work order ka KHADC hi kabala ai shaw agent kala kadaw shai bala khang persya ban pynieng ya ki bakum kini ki khyrdop lum khajna ha ka surok ba national highway wat ha ka work order jong ki hi kala kadaw shai ba kamla ban long ha ki surok highway ula bedrap UDC ula kadaw ru ya ka jing tha bala penmi da ka sarkar Meghalaya ha usnam arhajar arhuai kabala ya mir jingmot bat ka KHADC kabala khang persya ban pynieng ya ki no ki khyrdop lum khajna neki khyrdop talasi haki surok national highway neki surok PWD ka jelang nalor kata UDC ula kedau bahaki neki arbanai baladep ka KHADC bat ka hima meliam kila pynieng haduk pra haduk shipau teli ki khyrdop ha kathan Henry omshem ladon ka weiru ka bansha kta daki bor district ngimshem la khang light no tang ya ka wei ka bala pynieng ha ka surok ba national highway ka badai ka jing pynkhein ya ka work order ka jongki hi ula pensyai.
We have highest regards for KHADC. It's a 6th schedule state. So there is nothing like disrespecting KHADC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHADC has given to that agent itself, you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021. Wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHADC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHADC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHADC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else, but the one that has been set up on national highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.